So I've been using the FLASHFORGE Adventure 3 now for probably, I don't know, maybe 3 months. And it's great. It's fantastic. It's been pretty damn good. I've made some pretty cool things out of it. I'll show you. Like it made these controller holders and, you know, different cool stuff. I made these little risers for my games. And I might, you know, paint the lettering white so you can actually see it pop out a little more. And it's great, except for so many times I've, you know, been printing a project. This is something I just pulled out because randomly this machine, you'll be printing, it's in a low position right now. I was doing the adjustment. But it'll just be printing, doing its thing, and it, you know, works its way up. So it really never goes back down below its current level. You know, once it started printing something, it's, you know, it's up. But then this was right here, and this wanted to be over, and it just starts collapsing on this out in the middle of here. Like it was in a position it shouldn't even be thinking about or think about printing in. And then it just starts going down, and then you just hear a and I have to rush to the machine, and you either have to pause it, which there's, you know, if you're used to pausing prints, you know there's a delay because it has to kind of finish what it's doing and then it goes back up. So that's not a great solution to stopping it. And then when you pause it, if you go to push play again and let it continue, it'll go back to that messed up position and start ramming your project again. So the only way to, I guess, fix it, even though it's not a fix, is to shut the whole machine off and you lose your progress on your print. So like this, I spent, you know, almost 5 hours printing, and it's waste now because this machine just does rogue stuff that the company, as far as I know, hasn't even addressed. I can't find any fixes for it. The only thing I find is people complaining about the same thing. Their extruder just wants to do its own thing halfway through the print, especially when you're printing slightly bigger stuff, which really I think it's not so much about how big it is, because I think you could start something and it'll fail immediately, that kind of way. I think it's more about the chances of it happening. The longer your print is, you know, of course it's gonna be more likely to happen. So FLASHFORGE, I like your machine here. It's cool. It's right out the box. You can plug it in, start printing stuff basically. But I mean, there's no fix for this, and I don't know how to fix it. And I don't know if I should just buy another brand machine and just forget about FLASHFORGE or what. Yeah, let me know if you run into this kind of mistake, if you find a fix, if there's an update, which I don't know. I haven't found anything. So let me know.